So this is a tutorial about ebooks and e-audiobooks using the Destiny Read app. So you're going to locate your Destiny Read icon. It's on the lower right-hand corner. But before you can use the app, you need to go to Safari. So we're going to open up Safari, and you're going to go to the Barrett website. You can either type in barrett.apsva.us or you can scan the QR code. Once you're at the Barrett website, you can click the three lines in the left-hand corner. That'll open up the menus. You're going to find the library menu and click library. You're then going to see links on the left-hand side of the page, and you're going to click library catalog and ebooks. When you do that, it's going to open up this page. You're going to click the red click here to search Follett Destiny Discover. So it's going to open up to this screen, and you're going to find the login button on the upper right hand side. Click login. Again, you're going to be presented with an option to log in, and you're going to choose the one on the left hand side, log in using your account with Arlington Public Schools. You're going to log in here with your student ID number as your username and APS password for password. So now you're logged in, and you'll know that because in the upper right hand side, you're going to see your name. So that's my name up there. And then now we're going to search for a book. So I'm going to type my search in the search bar. I love Charlotte's Web, so we're going to search for that. I'm now going to find over here the format filter. I've circled it there. So now I have a bunch of different options for format. I can choose book, ebook, recorded sound, Follett ebook, Follett audiobook, or audiobook. The only two choices I am interested in are the Follett ebooks or the Follett e-audiobooks. I'm going to pick the audiobook selection, and it shows me the one result. I'm going to click on that Charlotte's Web icon. It's going to show me that it's an audiobook because it has this little sound icon right here. I'm going to click the more details that's next to it, and it's going to open this. So now I can either play the book, I can check it out, or I can favorite it. I'm going to check it out. And I know it's checked out because now it says out and right here. And it also gives me an option to return the book. So now I'm going to go back to my home screen. I'm going to find the Follett Destiny Read app, open it up. I'm going to once again log in. I'm going to type in Barrett. Notice that there is a Barrett Elementary in Los Angeles, California. We are not in California, so make sure you select Barrett Elementary School in Arlington. You're going to click that. It's going to populate Barrett Elementary School, Arlington, Virginia, under the school location. Click Login. And again, you're going to use the Arlington Public Schools cloud icon account to log in. You're going to enter your username as your student ID and your APS password. And you'll be redirected back to your Destiny Read app, and it will show you the Charlotte's Web or any other book that you check out. Again, these are going to be about 2-week checkouts like you normally would get in the library. You are welcome to play it up until 2 weeks, and then you can remove it and it will be returned, or if you do not remove it yourself, it will be returned to the library automatically in 2 weeks. If you click the 3 bars at the top left, you'll get this. You can either return all of your audiobooks or you can log out, which I would not recommend doing. Once you're logged in on your own iPad, there's no need to log out. So again, you can search anything from the Destiny Discover website in Safari, add them and check them out, and then you can read them in your Destiny Read app. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at greg.daddario@apsva.us.